Hey, to check for the software updates on the HUAWEI Watch Fit 3, first of all you have to click on this button. Now you have to scroll and find the settings icon. And from this list you have to also scroll all the way down and select System and the Updates. And then go to the software updates. By the way, just remember to be connected with your smartphone. This is very important. And now as you can see, I've got information that I'm up to date, but you can actually do this one more time and click check. And you can also check for this software updates by going into the Huawei Health application on your phone. Selecting your device, of course we have to get the HUAWEI Watch Fit 3, and we have to go into the firmware update. There we go. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.